I think there might be something wrong with this compressor. I just started it up. I didn't get it on video, unfortunately, but it just sat there locked up for a few seconds and then finally started. So, I don't know, I think there's something wrong with it. And right now, this is the only air conditioner running on this circuit, so it's not like the voltage is low or anything. Let's see how this one starts with the other air conditioner running. Yeah, it did just fine. I'm about to put the GE in. Before I do that, I want to see if this thing has an issue starting its compressor again. It started fine that time, but this morning it definitely didn't. So I'm gonna take this one out. I mean, I like this air conditioner and everything, but I just want to try the GE again. While I'm doing this, I'll turn this one on. I want to see if this has any trouble starting with that one running. Kinda did, but it wasn't too bad that time. I'm going to leave this air conditioner down here in case I want to put it back in. And here is the GE that I'm going to be installing. I'm going to bring this downstairs and spend as little time in this hot attic as I possibly can. Got it installed. Let's do a test run here after I shut this one off. And if you're new here and you haven't seen this air conditioner yet, this has a GE rotary compressor in it and a GE fan motor. And this is from 1972. Seems to be running just fine. It's getting nice and cold. Sounds good. That's how it sounds running on low speed. I think the next time I make a video of this air conditioner, I'm going to bring my kilowatt meter with me so I can see how much power it draws when it's installed in the window on a hot day. I do still have a Fetter's air conditioner installed. This is the 10,000 BTU. So start this one up.